Assalamualaikum. Our video for today, I have... Sorry. Dahil See? This one. Blanco. Dark chocolate dates with almonds. Almonds? Let's try. This one. See? I'm using AI beard. Because I'm here in Abu Dhabi. So that's why I taste this chocolate, dark chocolate from Palco. You know? See? This is a dark chocolate. I'm sorry. They have a... Oh, sorry. Lights. Yeah, it's against the lights. But okay. See? But this is my beard. Yeah, my beard. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with dates. Dates, huh? Dates inside and then dark chocolate and almonds. Let's see. Wait, look at my beard. It's good for me. Oh, it's a dark chocolate. Oh, let's see now. Cover niya dark chocolate, and then they have almond inside and dates inside, so double sweetness, because dates is a very sweetness and then dark chocolate sweetness. Yung almond, yun yung nag-neutral dun sa tamis ng chocolate at ng dates. Smart way, di ba? Yan. Ah. Blanco. Dark chocolate dates with almond. Ang sarap. Alam mo yung... Tapos may aroma pa siya sa loob. Okay, see you next time. Please support my YouTube channel. Luto mo to. Thank you so much.